Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. I have some news and I thought that I'd do a video and share it with you all, as I pretty much share my whole life on YouTube. So yeah, got some big news, and stay tuned if you want to find out what it is. A lot of you may already know, but recently I got contacted by YouTube and they said that I was able to apply for my 100,000 subscriber silver play button. So I've shared this already on my Instagram. There's loads of photos of it and I'm so happy and sort of overwhelmed really that I've hit 100k and I finally got myself a play button. So I'll show you that in a minute, but firstly I just want to say a huge thank you. And if you didn't know what this video is going to be about and you thought it was going to be bad news, then I'm sorry, but this is really good news and I'm so happy and so grateful for everyone who supported me from my time on YouTube. So I think my first video when I was about 15 and I recently turned 19, so it's been a long journey and I've really enjoyed it. I've had so many memories and I've been able to share them on YouTube and share my whole journey. So it's been really special, and to have something physical like this, it just feels more surreal. And instead of just seeing figures and numbers on a screen, it's an actual physical item that I'm holding. So it's really nice, and I feel this is a really nice thing that YouTube have set up, an award system, and it's really sweet. On that note, I will show you now. Right, drum roll. There it is, the lovely silver play button. Can't believe it. It does feel really weird to be actually owning one of these. Crazy. Presented to Girl Outdoors for passing 100,000 subscribers. There we go, got my name on it. Lovely stuff. But there it is. This is just to say that we did it. If it weren't for you, I wouldn't be receiving this. So I want to say a huge thank you. On that note, I wanted to do a giveaway for my 100,000. I've done a few giveaways in the past, so I thought that I'd do another one. Still feels weird that I've got one. Hasn't sunk in yet. So for the giveaway, I have a selection of the wonderful Wild Camping International products. I have done a giveaway, I think it's a couple of times now, with their stuff, or it was just the once. But anyway, they do really quality gear. They're a business that should have a lot bigger and higher name than they have at the moment, and I feel like they've got such a massive potential. And on the scale of things, they're a fairly new company and they deserve a lot more recognition, and I feel really honoured to be able to give away their products for my 100k giveaway. So the selection of stuff is mainly cooking equipment. Literally everyone loves cooking outdoors, and it's good equipment to carry, whether you're car camping, you're hiking or bushcrafting. It's stuff that's great to carry on you. So the stuff is coffee percolators, stainless and titanium containers. We got a mess tin, we got hobo stoves, we got cups and flasks, so them sort of things, bits and bobs. It's going to be a surprise to what you get. So there's going to be 3 people who win some prizes, and you're going to get a little bundle, a surprise bundle, and I'll just make a little kit together and you can have it. But yeah, it's going to be a few things. It's going to be really nice, and I'll just show you briefly some of the stuff that you could get in your little bundle. Here are some of the potential things you could be winning. So we've got a cup, coffee percolator, pots, we've got titanium and a stainless steel one, a flask, and then a mess tin and some sporks. But yeah, it's going to go to 3 lucky winners. And what I want from you is a description of your favourite time outside, so your best memory. Try and make it short so I can read them, and I'm going to pick 3 stories that I think are really great memories and just sound amazing, really inspiring, or just a good laugh or something like that. And yeah, I'm going to pick 3 stories, 3 memories from the outdoors or camping or whatever you're doing, hiking, bushcrafting, canoeing, overlanding, anything like that, and I'll pick them. On that note, can you please make it fairly short description as you can, because I'm guessing there might be a few entries, so I want to get round to reading them all. The draw is going to be in quite a while, I'm guessing, because I'm going to probably give about 3 to 4 days for you to enter, and then I'm going to close the draw and read through all of the comments, which will probably take a while, and pick 3 people, 3 stories that I find really fascinating and inspiring, or just a good laugh, and I will contact you so you can receive a little bundle of some outdoor cooking equipment. I hope you win, but thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for literally getting me to 100,000. I'm so grateful. And I also want to say a massive thank you to my Patreons for getting me here as well. Alright, so I think I've pretty much covered that. I hope everyone is having a lovely day or evening. And summer is soon arriving here. It's literally getting so hot. Here I am sat in shorts because the weather is so warm now. And it's lovely. I'm really thinking about summer now and upcoming trips and things I want to plan. It's quite difficult at the minute with all the travel restrictions, so I'm just looking and seeing what's available and where you can go at the minute. If you have any ideas of where you're going this year and where you plan on going, then I'd love to hear that. That's all the products wrapped up, and I'm looking forward to shipping them off to 3 lucky winners. Anyway, I am back at the camp, which I am really happy about, and the weather is so much better now. It has warmed up. It's still really chilly at night, but I will be staying here for the next week.
In the cold kitchen light, we both look for a sign, and you say, these are troubles of mine. Weary thoughts of breaking up, coming under your skin. Don't know if we should stop or begin. 'Cause I was there by your side, with my eyes open wide, and I know that will always be true. There were no reasons why. Guess all beauty must die. We try hard, but we all
Lovely.
so reckless, so reckless. It took time to recognize we are all filled with pride. I'm a wreck when I'm not by your side. Yes, I know that I have to agree. There is no one as reckless as me.